For a truly fresh clean, always start by sweeping or vacuuming
To get rid of loose dust and hair before bringing in the mop. When you're ready to mop, use warm water with just a dash of mild dish soap for tiles, and make sure your mop is barely damp for hardwood to prevent any damage. One more step. Alright, let me know when you're ready to pick up again. One more step for feeling fresh or fresh. To really boost that fresh feeling, try adding a few drops of essential oil like lemon or peppermint to your mop water. It leaves a wonderful natural scent without any harsh chemicals. Necessity for movement. For a naturally fresh home,
Keeping the air circulating while you clean can make a big difference. It helps the floors dry faster and keeps the space smelling great. Is there a particular
floor type you're working on right now?